whenever I'm having a bad hair day, I do this little messy bun situation and it's super easy, so I'm gonna show you how I do it. First things first, our ends are really gonna be seen in this look, so we need to get these looking right. So I like to use the bondbar bonding styling cream. You only need a little bit of this. You can use it on dry or damp hair, so I'm just gonna work that in through my fingers and then work it through my ends. This is gonna help reduce frizz, also amp up moisture and smooth the hair. Now I'm gonna section off my bangs because I do like to leave these out so they kind of frame the face. So I'm gonna do that on either side. And then we're gonna pull the rest of the hair into a high pony. Once you've got your pony how you like it, grab a ponytail holder that's a similar color to your hair and you're gonna secure it in place, but you're only gonna do a small little bun like this. Wrap it around twice, leaving all those ends out. Bring the tails to the front. I like to split it in half and bring each to each side. And I'm gonna use the one side to wrap around so we cover up where that ponytail holder was, so it just looks like our hair. Just gonna secure in place with a bobby pin. And the other tail we're gonna bring towards the front, split it in half again, and start pinning in place so that stays. I'm just gonna curl my little bangs away from my face. And then I'm also gonna curl these little ends that are sticking out. Definitely easily just pin away these little extra pieces if you want a more sleek look, but I like to leave them out for like a little extra messiness. I feel like it makes it a little more casual, but that's it.